What's the meaning of anxious? Anxious. 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 Anxious.
The term anxious refers to a feeling of unease, worry, or fear that is often accompanied by physical symptoms such as restlessness, rapid heart rate, and difficulty concentrating. When someone is anxious, they may feel uncertain or apprehensive about the future or unsure how to deal with present circumstances. This state of mind can interfere with everyday activities, personal relationships, and overall well-being. It may also lead to avoidance behaviors or excessive reassurance seeking. Effective treatment for anxiety often involves therapy, medication, or a combination of both, and can help individuals manage their symptoms and improve their quality of life.